Hello! Today we're going to be unboxing the November Deluxe Muse box by Sugarmuses. This is one of my very favorite boxes. Usually has some kind of shipping information here. And here's our logo. Big box. Usually I can smell it pretty intensely through the box, but not so much today, so I'm really curious about what that means. Just as an extra little tidbit, this is the Rose of Jericho from my last box. It's coming along quite beautiful. You know, it was so easy and so neat. I had it on my ofrenda this Dia de Muertos, and it was just a really nice addition. I love it. So, without further ado, what's in here? Okay, we got our, ooh, the Raven is the theme. Let's see what we got here. Bubble wrap from my boy. Beautiful artwork. I always keep these all the art from my boxes in a photo album. So this will go in the collection. Purple paper. Eggplant purple, I would say. Black dilly bobs. Ooh, she changed her card. Her card is usually white and black, but I'm digging the purple. Alright. Oh, I can smell it now, and I can see my big boobs. It looks so beautiful. I'll just undo a little bit more so you guys can get a really good view. Oh my god, I can already tell that I love it. So that's the inside. I'm just going to scoot this little dealy bob back here so we can get everything in the frame. So you can see all the goodies. Alright, flower blend. We'll read more about that here soon. I'm not super good at telling flowers at this stage of desiccation, but we shall see. This thing popped out at me. I always like things that pop out at me. Have a little meaning. So let's see here. Ooh, I'm dropping it. I'm going to keep this bag. Y'all know I do. Ooh. Pretty. We will find out what this is. Peppermint tea. Seems to be this time of year because this is the second one I've gotten. Well, actually no, the other one was from last month, so it's just the time of year. This is probably, it's usually an oil, but if I'm not mistaken, it looks like this month is going to be a perfume, which they're usually pretty nice. And it's purple. God, this whole theme is really cool. Loving it. Raven ritual oil. So it is a ritual oil. I feel like I can smell roses or some type of flower. I will let you know when I read the thing, the insert. Of course, our white sage. Love this. Collect it. Witch's salt. Witch's salt. Oh, I got little sprinkles. I can almost smell like a citrusy scent. Ooh, got a little bit of a mess everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna stand that up like that. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is so cool, guys. I love this. So, oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. Look at that little, I'm guessing pewter, little twine and some dried, if I had to guess, I would say lavender, some kind of wheat or grain. And I'm not sure what flower this is, but I'm going to find out. This looks like freshly rolled beeswax that's been dyed purple. Of course, here's my incense. Let me smell it. It's subtle this month, but really yummy. Okay. I love this box. It is so... Oh, and there's stuff in it. This is beautiful. This is a nice It's not the little like particle board crap that you get at the store. It's got a little scuffy here, but that's okay. My husband can sand these little edges out for me. It is beautiful. I can tell that this had a lot of love put into it. It's a raven. She puts the most beautiful thought into the details. I love it. I don't know if you're gonna see this, but I love your boxes. Ooh. It's a pentagram with a triple moon and a raven in the middle. That is so cool. And I love the little bird nest looking thing. Oh my gosh. This is a good box. This looks to be, I never open the little spell dealer box, but I keep them forever, like little messages in a bottle. Alright, let's review. This has been a phenomenally beautiful box, in my opinion. It's about animal magic. The raven represents magic and mysticism, perception and heightened psychic ability, shape-shifting into another for a more complete understanding of spirit, and a journey into the depths in order to bring out the light. So the element is air, messengers of spirit, which Native American shamans used to protect their magic over great distances. Oh, pardon me, project their magic over great distances. Because they fly toward the heavens, they can take prayers from the people to the heaven and in turn bring back messages from the spiritual realm. So it's associated with the Morgan, a Celtic warrior goddess. Sometimes appear as a method of divination. So I do use ravens as a method of divination. Just personally, you can do it with crows. I do it with crows or ravens. Counting the number of birds that you can see. Like 1 is danger, 2 is couples, 3 is a new arrival, so on and so forth. It depends on the day, but that's usually, I always pay attention to birds, especially ravens. Okay, green tea incense sticks. That's why it's so subtle. Witch's salt. These sacred salts were hand blended with Dead Sea salt, Epsom salt, peppermint, mugwort, and bergamot. They can be used in purification spell, placed in a bowl on your altar to represent earth, used to cast circle or in ritual baths, or to clean your gemstones and crystals. Just place your gemstones on a bed of salt overnight. Sage and lavender incense bundle. There's a lavender. I missed it the first time. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So that was that front page, and you guys can always pause it and read through it. The Raven Ritual Oil, organic therapeutic grade essential oils, green tea and black tea extract, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil. Hand-rolled candle, lavender, bay, sage, and essential oils. Flower blend, chrysanthemum. That's what it was. Clarity, protection, and solving mysteries. And the flower can be burned, sprinkled, or placed in a charm and spell bags. Peppermint leaf tea, carved wooden altar box. This is so beautiful. And a raw lepidolite, known as the Dreamstone. Not sure if I'm saying that right, but raw lepidolite. Dreamstone, protect you from nightmares, aids in dream work. Pendant. Here we have the pendant. Which is just beautiful, and the art print. So this is amazing. Sugarmuses is one of my very favorite boxes. In my opinion, they are just as good as Witch's Moon. I love them both equally, like children. I don't love one more than the other, but I love them both, and I am a loyal fan. I love this box. Everything is really cool, really neat. I don't have any of these items, I don't have this stone. I don't have anything quite like this. So I'm really excited. I really love all the little touches. So like this is really beautiful to me. The little bird's nest and the stamp on the front was a really beautiful touch. The detail work, the theme, the color, everything's so beautiful. Let me tell you a little bit about this box. I've been getting it for most of this year. It is the deluxe version of her box. She has a smaller version. This version is over $50. So, I mean, it's a little bit of an investment, but I have never regretted it. So I do recommend it to you guys. I will definitely be showing you the December box, but I also want to hear back from you guys. So if you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. If you have any ideas, comment, give me feedback. Anything that I should try, any thing that you liked about this box or what I'm doing here. And I look forward to seeing you guys next month. Thank you.